guys, so I know that you haven't seen me in a long time, and this is my first tutorial in like over a year. I know that's kind of crazy, but today I have so much in store for you guys. I'm actually going to be talking about 2 items that I bought. It's by the Crayon Case. So I'm doing the Box of Crayons as well as one of their highlighters, which is called the AnGLOWla. So if you want this final look, if you want to be looking popping, you want to get your man, get your boo, get your girl, get your whatever, then stay tuned because we got a lot in store. First, I'm just going to go ahead and just do a quick open. Like I said, I already played around with some of the products, but they're very pretty colors, extremely pigmented. Like for example, I'll take the pink and I'll take the purple and I'll take the yellow, and I'll just put those on my arm real fast. Do you see? They're extremely pigmented, extremely pigmented. Okay, so I put a lighter base in the crease of my eyes as well as around the very top portion of my eye sockets. So what I'm going to do is, before I actually use the Crayon Case, I want to just have a starter color, and the one that works best for me is actually by Morphe Cosmetics. It is the 350 palette, very popular, and I'm actually going to use these shades of orange and mix them together and put it in my crease. I really like to use this for crease because it just accentuates my crease very well, and it goes very well with my skin tone.
You're going to take that same orange and put it into your crease and then blend it out with a blending brush, a fluffy one at that. Next, we're going to take the purple from the Box of Crayons, and we're going to simply go over very lightly with the orange over with the purple. Blend it out in your crease. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a cream concealer palette, and you're going to aim for any of the lighter colors on the palette. You're going to take that with a flat brush, a concealer brush preferably, and what you're going to do is, once you choose the color that you want, you're going to put it onto your eyelid. This actually is what helps make your eyeshadows pop. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the yellow from the Box of Crayons, and we're going to get a regular eyeshadow brush and put it on top of the concealer that we just applied onto the lid. Now remember, you're just popping and packing in the color, so just do light taps. Don't worry about spreading it out. You're literally just packing it into the eyelid. The next thing we're doing is we're taking the baby blue, and you're going to put that right next to the yellow. Now remember, you're just packing it onto your eyelid. Don't worry about smudging it or smearing it around. What you could do if you're having a hard time is take your finger rub it against the baby blue, and simply pack it onto your eyelid just like I'm doing now. The next thing we're doing is we're taking that dark blue and we're actually going to put this into the V of our eyelid. Just like that. And all you're doing again is you're just packing it on. We're not worrying about blending at this time. We're simply just packing it. So just take the blue and just put it into the outer corner, or it's otherwise known as the V of your eye. The next thing you're doing is you're taking the dark purple and you're going over that same dark blue, and this is just going to help it pop more. Remember, we're looking for colors to pop. From there, you should see 3 colors: the yellow, the baby blue, and the dark bluish purple. Now you're going to take your blending brush, and then this is when you finally blend things out. Remember, don't spread too much. You're simply just blending to avoid having harsh lines. From there, we're taking the gold and the palette. You're going to take your finger. Make sure you get the product onto your finger, like so. And then what we're actually going to do is we're going to put that on top of the yellow, which is in the inner corner of our eye, just like that. Remember, packing, packing. Don't worry about spreading. You're simply just packing.
Okay, you guys, so I put on the eyeshadows, as you can see. So I use about 4 to 5 colors in the crayon case, in the box of crayons, I'm sorry. And then I also use, for the fact of the crease and my starter shadow, shadows from the Morphe 350 palette. I put on my liner. I'm actually going to put on my lashes, but I'm going to do that off camera because I'm still working on that, and y'all not about to clown the hell out of me because I ain't got that down pat yet. So let me put on my lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the eyes officially. I'm just going to quickly go over with some bronzer, some blush, and then we're going to do the highlight. Okay, so last but not least, it is time for the highlight. So again, I'm using the AnGLOWla highlight by the Crayon Case. I actually opened it already, so I'm just going to put some on. Ooh. Ooh, so girl. Hold up. Hold the hell up. Ooh, okay, hold on. Hold on, I came at this thing all the way wrong. Hold on. Oh shit. Girl. Hold on. I'm speechless. Oh shit. Hold on, so hold up. get some more. No, shining like bright like a diamond. Oh shit. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. Okay, so I guess I gotta order some more highlights from the Crayon Case. Okay. Alright, hold on. Because I'm about to do my lips now, so let's have that little shining bright. Hold on. So again, this is the AnGLOWla by the Crayon Case. Oh my god. I'm really impressed. I'm extremely impressed. Hold on. Hold on, let me just touch that tip of that nose. Girl, this highlighter got my nose fucking lit. Like for real, for real. Okay, you guys. So this is the final look. Again, using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and the AnGLOWla. Now these are the main two items that I am featuring on this video. I paid for these items. Nobody paid me to do this review. I give it an absolute thumbs up. These products are amazing. So I definitely will be getting some more highlighters because as y'all can see, that shit took my whole breath away. I'm speechless still. Like, so I'm gonna go out and show off this look because ain't nobody got time to be doing no damn makeup for no reason. So yeah, I highly recommend it. They are very professional. When I ordered it, they sent me my confirmation number and then they shipped it literally within days. And I was able to track the item until it reached here in New York. If you have any questions for me, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to list all the items that I use, all the brushes that I use in today's tutorial in the description box below. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my blog, Loverofshades.com. Also follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram as well as Facebook. Also by my name, Lover of Shades. So if you have any questions, again, drop it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You guys, please go get this box of crayons and this AnGLOWla. That's going to take your life, like take your life, child. And until then, I will see you guys later. God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye.